we're making Chef Lau's Kinilaw.
Okay, now, when you make Kinilaw, the first thing you have to remember or take note when you make Kinilaw is the fish you use. The fish should be the freshest possible fish you can get. Whether it's tanige, whether it's tuna, whether it's salmon, whether whatever fish you want to use for your Kinilaw or kilawin, it has to be super fresh. Okay? So, I'm putting... Yeah, I think this is tanige.
When I do Kinilaw, I wash it with suka instead of water and ginger.
There you go. Now, ratio of your aromatic vegetables to the fish. A good guide would be 1:2, meaning 1 part the aromatic vegetables like onions, ginger, all of this, to 2 parts of fish. Not the other way around. I would put a bit more ginger, a bit more onions compared to ginger, because ginger is really very powerful, and you don't want your Kinilaw just to taste ginger. Chilies, up to you if you like spicy, but Chef Lau loves his Kinilaw spicy. So I'm putting green chilies, and I'm gonna put siling labuyo. Green onions also packs a nice kick without being like red or white onion. So I like using green onions as well. Yeah, sweet end note. There. I like you to smell this Dijon mustard.
More sour.
Not so much, that's fine. Guys, take note what I'm doing.
Yeah, it's gonna make your
now,
for you.
wait, now I'm gonna put also salt. Very important, the salt.
Kosher.
This is iodized sea salt.
From Pangasinan.
Yes, exactly, from Pangasinan. Since I'm using 2 kinds of acid, I'm not putting so much, just to flavor it.
What's the ratio between the vinegar and calamansi normally for you?
Up to you. For me, equal amounts is okay. If you want more citrus, more calamansi. Now I'm mixing this together with our Dijon mustard. Diba? Salt.
Very fine.
This is how we plate it in our buffet. There, see how beautiful it is? It's beautiful and it's so fresh.